Hello guys, welcome to my channel Grace Shining Star. Good morning to you all everyone. Just going for mass and then I will be back home and then is up. Just now I'm reached near the church, so I'm going to attend the mass now. See you guys later.
1 hour later.
Just now the mass is over, but son is having his meeting, so I have to wait here till his meeting get over, and after that we'll be going home and having our breakfast.
6 hours later.
Oh no! ही डाळ उकडल्या, हे भाता शीत उकडला, इले ही सोय आणि हें गोड हे आतां मिक्स करता सगळें आनी मागीर शिजोवन दवरता. सो ही डाळ हितून घालता. ओके, आतां शीत घालता. सो हें आतां हें डाळ घायला, शीत घायला आणि आता ही सोयी घालता आणि मागीर चुलीचेर दवरता. गोडूय घालपा जाय, गोड मागीर घालता. आतां गोड घायला आनी थोडो वेलची पीठ घालपाचो, मीठ घायलो, हांवें उकडटा तें दोणो. आतां इल्लें उडयल्या बरें. Guys, now you remove this haldi leaves. Elaichi powder घालू जावं. I already put. Sorry, I did not show you all. ही काडपाची हां, जाल म्हणटरी. मागीर हाताक तोंडा पडटाय न्हू ती, तेका काडपाची. Guys, I put this haldi leaves in this plate so that I can remove this. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Hello guys. गाइज आतां मगे गोडशी जालां आनी हेचो आतां प्लेट हें काडलां दोनी आनी तें थंड जालें म्हणटरी मागीर कातून खावपाचें. I know it will be tasty. This is for my subscribers. Take guys, y'all also taste it. Come. Tasty guys, tasty.
Later.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How was your day today? Today I did sweet atol godshe. That is Goan godshe. Okay, and just now I had my dinner also, and nothing more. So hope your day also must be gone very well. Guys, those who are watching my video, guys, those who are watching my blogging, see that you subscribe, comment, share and like also. But I like to go through your comments. See that you all comment me. Okay, I will be waiting to see your everybody's comments this time. Okay, so do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Grace Shining Star. So bye bye, good night, God bless you all, sweet dreams. Bye bye, see you in the next vlog.